So we're in the Philippines. It's a Catholic religious country.
Yes.
We're all conservative. But times are changing and we have to evolve with the times. Me, I had sex education nung high school. We called it health also. Meron din mga methods on birth control, IUDs, injectables, calendar method, pull out, mga ganon. So it should be, sex should be spoken as is, not as something to be ashamed about.
Yeah. Sometimes kasi tama, na-objectify ang kababaihan. We're treated like a piece of property.
Yes.
Na if we're tainted or we're damaged in any sort of way, we're less valuable or parang we're deemed as damaged goods even in some societies. But in truth, tama si Ian tsaka si Rob na itong mga bagay na ito ay depende naman sa kung nasaan ka.
Yes.
Kumbaga pagka ito ay hindi aligned din sa pagkatao mo, baka you're in the wrong country or
Yeah.
you're in the wrong society. Kasi feeling ko, in Southeast Asia, we're the only Catholic country, and yet we have the highest teen pregnancy rate in the entire Southeast Asia.
That's ironic.
For 2022, that's 4.5% increase from the last year. So, according sa datos ng PSA, bukod sa pagtaas ng teen pregnancy, tumataas din ang cases ng AIDS. And in the age bracket of 15 to 25.